Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share and unshare the chats in Claude AI in 2026. So first of all, you need to understand one thing, that when you come here on Claude.ai and when you click on the option of this particular section here on the top, you will be shown of the all of the chats that you have made with Claude AI. So click on the option of chats and you just have to open that particular conversation which you want to share or unshare. Now over here you will be shown the copy button, the like button, the dislike button and the retry button, but unfortunately you won't be able to see any of the share buttons over here. So in this situation, what you can do is you can just simply copy this particular conversation that you want to share basically. Afterwards you can open any of these applications, like you can open Google Docs, Notion, Word or email or any of the messaging applications. So after opening it, you can just simply paste the text over here, and when the text is here you can click on the option of file here on the top right hand corner. Now you can either download this particular file in these formats available here, or if you want to truly share it, you can just simply hover over to the share section and then you can select the option of share with others. Afterwards, and a link is going to be generated from docs. You can also click on the share option on the top right hand corner over here, and then you can get that particular link by selecting the copy link option over here. You can share this particular doc with whomever you want to share it with, and that's the easiest and the most reliable way for you to share or even unshare the chats in Claude AI. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.